Hey everyone, it's Mickey Albert at Johnson RV here in Sandy, Oregon, America's #1 premium pre-owned RV dealer. Today we're going to take a quick walkthrough. It's on our 2019 Forester 2421 model. So a little bit different for this one. We have a standard Triton V10 on an E450 chassis, which is pretty standard in these Class Cs. But this one we went ahead and ordered with full body paint. It's going to last long if you do road trips out in the sun. This is going to hold up to the weather absolutely fantastic. Big wide mirrors so you can see yourself driving down, and then nice windows up for the kids or whoever you have up in the overhead bunk. Couple small features. This has it's solar ready, so if you have a portable solar charger, that's something that can be plugged right in, and it's going to help trickle charge the batteries. We got some great windows, small storage compartment right here. I won't open all of them, but as we get around, I'll show you the bigger one. Easy propane fill, nice quick right here. And then stepping back, we have an awning, and some of the newer ones this has speakers on each side. So as the awning comes out, the speakers face down a little bit. So when you're out underneath trying to enjoy the evening, you don't have to have it too loud to be able to hear it. So another storage compartment, and then this is really what I wanted to show you. This is more of a pass-through, lawn chairs, golf clubs, any of the outdoor activities you're going to do are going to be able to fit in there. Coming around the back, again, still just beautiful, full body paint, 5,000 pound tow hitch, and again with the Triton V10, you're going to have no problems going where you need to go. As you can see, this has 2 slides. It's got very nice slide toppers. Real quick, we just have the sewer connections. So you're a little flush. You got your city water connection, fresh water, and then the dump tanks, all nice in one area. And then you have your outside power, and again, some outside TV connections. We have 2 small storage units, but then we again have an Onan 4,000 watt generator, brand new and ready to roll. Got your exhaust for that. Hopefully you enjoyed the outside. Let's go take a look at the inside. Hey everybody, we made it inside the 2019 Forester 2421. So pretty standard on the Ford chassis. They've done a few upgrades. Nice woodwork, super nice finishings on the dash, nice leather chairs. We have a nice monitor for the backup camera, touchscreen on the stereo. Sorry about that, I was thinking. But other than that, again, pretty standard. Large overhead bunk, nice weight, holds about 440 pounds. And with this one, they did a swing out 40-inch TV. So as you're sitting in here, you want to watch a movie, you have the kids, anything like that, nice large TV. And then entertainment center up here. We also have the new My RV system, so everything is push button. Great new system, really works well on the Foresters. So large dinette. Rather than just having the long table, you have a nice U-shaped where numerous people can get in here. And as you notice, you have seat belts in 4 positions. Nice little upgrade. What we have going now is, and I just wanted to point out, I didn't say it on the outside, this on a smaller coach has an upgraded 4-point leveling system, all automatic, great feature for a coach this size. Great counter space with the newer coaches. We've got nice quality hard surface countertops, double sink, small little garbage back here, and then you step over to a 3-burner Furion propane stove with oven, and then they're starting to put a little bit larger microwaves, and it's a convection microwave. Great size refrigerator. And again, nice size freezer in a coach this size. Nice advantages. With the Forester, we step up here, we have a nice queen size bed. And then this is a little bit different floor model. This has a bathroom right here. Oh, sorry. So toilet, and then you have a rear bathroom in this model. So it's kind of tight, but step in with me. We have great size shower. And it just wraps around, plenty of headroom, nice countertop, good storage. And then again, I'm going to swing by the camera. You have a nice spot to hang some clothes and plenty of dresser space in a coach this size. Hopefully you enjoyed the walk around in the brand new 2019 Forester. We look forward to seeing you at Johnson RV.